This is one of my most popular recipes and also one of my personal favorites. Honey glazed salmon is cooked to perfection in a garlic-infused honey bath. This recipe is designed to impress both your family and friends, so stick with me and I'll show you how to make it. Hello and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making honey glazed salmon. You will need 3 salmon steaks, 1 cup of honey, 1 cup of butter, 6 cloves of garlic, 8 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and parsley to garnish. Using medium heat, bring a cast iron skillet to temperature, then melt your butter. Now add the honey and mix well. Add your garlic and cook for 1 minute. Now pour in your lemon juice. Now allow your sauce to thicken for approximately 7 minutes. Very carefully add your salmon steaks and baste for approximately 4 minutes. If you like the written version of this recipe, along with all of my other recipes, please download my Soul Food Cooking app. Instructions on how to get the app can be found in the description below. Lightly season your salmon with salt. Transfer it to your oven that has been preheated to broil and allow it to cook for an additional 5 minutes. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.